Welcome back to Livie's Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel, and I'm your host, Fam the Fabulous. For more ideas, inspiration, swaps, and challenges, click the link in the description below to join our craft community, the Maker Exchange, on Facebook. Welcome back to the Lovely Lab. All right, guys, so today I'm coming to you with a quick little update on the gratitude journals. I want you guys to know that I have created specifically, well, not specifically, but especially for those who've already started their gratitude journals. I created a quick little PDF that you can download, print on demand, or, however you want to do it, and use these in your gratitude journal. And they are, what did I say? Free. Okay. I found some images on the public domain. So I dropped those onto a PDF, printable, as well as some gratitude prompts that you can cut out and, put in at the top or however you want to do it in your gratitude journals, just to help, keep you flowing. And did I mention that it's free? So there will be a link below in the description box that'll take you to my Google Drive, the folder with just these printables in it. And if you are not, if you haven't already started your gratitude journals, don't worry. There'll be a card up in the right-hand corner that'll take you to the playlist. And the very first video in that series will be the one that outlines all of the supplies that you'll need. And so from there, you'll be able to go through the rest of the videos and come along with us on this journey to creating the gratitude journals for us to work throughout the year or month or whatever. Anyways, so without further ado, let me just show you what I have. So we have, let me just close that up because there's a bunch of scraps in there. I found some cute little images in there. We've got the butterflies, 3 butterflies, a couple of doilies, a pocket watch, a Bible, some, ones that you can create titles or tags with, if you will. And a few flowers, and then a vintage phone. And so I went on ahead and printed those out, cut them out. I printed mine on cardstock. This one is just on regular copy paper. So let me just show you what they look like once they're printed out and they are inked around the edges. So here is the pretty little butterfly. Adorable, isn't it? Then we have the phone. And depending on what you're printing on, it's going to determine the depth of the colors. And I fussy cutted these out. Fussy cutting is not my thing. I really try to stay away from those. I'm definitely a bought die cut type of girl, but for the sake of free, I'll do it. And the doilies came out really cute. You see the detail in those. And then I haven't inked around these, but these are just, you can tag and title. Another bouquet. Another butterfly. Another flower. And I love how pale they are. The other doily. The Bible, and then the other title, tag, prompt, whatever you want to call it. And then, so those are the images. And then here are the gratitude prompts. So there'll be 2 sheets for that. One has a vintage background and the other is just white, so that you can print it out however you want to. And for this, you can print it out on whatever color paper you may have. So with the prompts that we have, I am so grateful for. If I could thank anyone for the kindness they've shown me, it would be, I am thankful for being able to be a blessing to others with my gift of. The greatest challenge in my life that I'm thankful for is, I'm grateful that I no longer, when I look back on my most memorable birthday, I'm grateful that the thing that I'm most grateful to have accomplished is, even though it was difficult, I'm grateful that I was able to. Because of the kindness others have shown me, I am grateful to. I may not be where I want to be, but I'm grateful that I'm no longer. The childhood moments that I'm most grateful to have experienced are being married, I'm most grateful for. being a parent, I'm most grateful for, and the gift I'm most grateful to have received is. And so those are the prompts that I have pretty much put down for you guys to be able to include in your journals if you so desire. Again, there will be a link below in the description box. I'll take you to my Google Drive, and you'll be able to download the PDFs and use them in your journal. Feel free to share these in your Facebook groups. You feel free to share this video in your Facebook groups and anywhere else you feel that someone may need a little bit of encouragement or inspiration and you think you might want to include them on or bring them along on our journey. All right. And so within the next couple days, you'll see another video of another gratitude journal video, and it'll probably be going through and adding some decorations and embellishments to it. So stay tuned for that. And let me just say before I head out, thank you so much for joining me, for your feedback, your comments, your support. Those of you who have purchased the Gratitude Journal kits on my Etsy shop, which will be linked below. Thank you so much for supporting. And until we're back here again on YouTube, guys, stay encouraged, stay blessed, and stay creative and crafting. Bye for now.
If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Hit subscribe to join the crafty community, and be sure to click the bell for notifications of new uploads. Thank you so much for watching. Now stay tuned for more from Livie'S Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel. Bye for now.